Hi folks, welcome back. Sorry for the delay in getting any more progress made, but being rather busy at work and this and that, so not really had a chance to get in the garage, but here we go, back to it. Today's wee mission, get the screens out. The top rail for the dashboard, and see where else we can make some progress. Just start by removing this the little push-in trim, which looks as if somebody's glued at some point. Presently getting battered with Storm Dennis. Roller shutter doors rattling away in the background there. Trim straight in the bin. There was supposed to be a part 4 of the interior strip, but when I checked the camera battery had run out, so I actually lost the last half hour of footage, which I thought I had but didn't have, so sorry and all that. But there was a couple of bits of the dashboard to strip out and whatnot that I thought I had on tape but didn't, so as you'll see later, it's already out. It was nothing eventful, so I don't think he's missed out on much. Tape up this trim so it comes back out my bin and doesn't just open up and straight in the recycling bin. Bit of plastic. There he is, the bold lad. He's been lying at the door. His usual appearance. Just remove the tax disc, keep that for posterity. 0412. That was when it was taken off the road. That was when it was last driven. I like to just tease the rubber away for the glass all the way around. Just makes the pushing it out that wee bit easier. A long time since I pushed one of these things out. You can see, got the bobble hat on today. It's a bit cold in the garage. Forgot to put the heating on. I say the wind is whistling up my alley. The tail end of what we're supposed to get yesterday's Storm Dennis, but it never seemed to appear yesterday, but we seem to be getting it today. Same again, just get the little screwdriver and just tease the rubber away from the glass inside, just to break any bond it's got with it. The rubber tends to stick to the glass after a while, doesn't it, when with the heat. See, just push from the corner, top corner, tease it out by the rubber. Once it starts, it just pops. In you go, just like that. There we go. Windscreen removed. Notice the bottom corner there's a bit milky where it's sort of started delaminating, so the front windscreen won't be going back in again. If it's any good to anybody, give me a shout. You're welcome to it. It's just a little sort of a cloudy mark on the bottom right hand corner at the driver's side. All sorts of stuff stuck in with the vent and the windscreen demister vents. Pick them out. Oh, I've done the centre screw, but I forgot to do the two outside ones. So I'll just go and get a socket. See what size it is. Just 3 bolts hold the top rail, the dash in. As I said, already loosened off the middle one when I was doing the heater hoses and stuff. I somehow managed to forget the two outside. We'll just get them off and we can get the dash out. To the other side. we go. Wind dash top rail removed. And the other man. Know where it's at. Moved his bed the other day. I was chopping firewood. Put it back. Gave him somewhere to lie. Take the little demister funnels. There he is, settled. So it's windscreen out, top rail out, heater demisters out. That's about us for this wee video. We'll try and get another couple up. If you liked the wee video, don't forget, give us a like and a subscribe. Catch up with you later on.